So in this video, I will be explaining you about how to do Hlookup and then what are the conditions to check before we do the Hlookup. Okay. So here on the same data, we want to take a item sold by the salesperson. Here, last video, what we did here, lookup value is always nothing but salesman, that is PQRST. So in VLOOKUP, as it is should be in a first column, it should be in the first row. So here in this, can you see this in this item sold details by the salesman? The sale item name is in the first row and then followed by the lookup array, lookup value. So what we have to do is we need to take the sales. So we can do what we can do is just we can copy this and then put it here. So now what happened, it is come according for the table arrays comes in the format. So for this table array, we need to create a name. So what we can do is we can select here, go to formulas and then define name and then give OK. So we given a name as salesman. Okay. So now I need to take a item sold by the P. So for this, put an equal to, we can put an equal to, and then let's go by formula. Okay. So go to formulas, lookup and reference. In this, can you see the Hlookup? Hlookup, and then what is the lookup value? It should be in a P. What is an table array? We already given as sales. Another name is given. What is the name? Item. No, it's a sales. SALESMA. So we can take like this also. We can select from here and then we can give salesman and then row index is the 2 and then give OK. That gives us range lookup will be 0 and then give OK. So can you see this? We can drag horizontally. So whenever we are data given from table to take Hlookup, you need to check this condition. Always the lookup value should be in the top and then what are the getting the value will be the reference value will be in the second row. Okay, followed by the second row or third row like that. So you learn about Hlookup. For more details, you can check my videos in YouTube. Thank you.